What is my number one productivity tool? What makes me so efficient? What makes me the execution machine? And how can you learn to use the exact same method? Welcome. My name is Beate Chalette, and I'll tell you on this in just one moment. I am known as a growth architect, and my specialty is developing strategies for businesses and organizations that have things that are not quite functioning, but they can't quite put their finger on why things are not working. And with my diagnosis through my 5-star success blueprint, I help them figure out very quickly where the root of the problem is, not the symptom, so that we can then deploy the solutions. So, back to my productivity tip number one. What I have found is that a lot of entrepreneurs, business owners, and busy professionals having a hard time with time management. And time management is where you are mapping out your entire day into what are you going to do, when you're going to do it, and how are you going to be doing it. So, what I found is that sometimes your brain, because when you force it to be so focused for a whole period of time, right? When you schedule them, especially now, hour by hour by hour by hour, your brain just wants to run away because it just needs some sort of a reprieve. So I have found what works a lot better is to give yourself 30-minute timer intervals, because for 30 minutes you can sit here, you don't need to go to the bathroom, you don't need another glass of water, you don't need a cup of coffee right now. When your 30-minute segment is up, your focus sprint, you do not get up, you do not move until that thing is either finished or your 30 minutes are up. And then you go, you get your coffee, go to the bathroom, do what you need to do. You come back, you give yourself another 30-minute timer, and make sure you stay focused on one particular task. So you cannot check your email, you cannot go and read the newspaper, you cannot go shopping. You stay focused. This is my number one productivity tool on how to get things accomplished, because when you do not do it like that, but you go away and you come back, your brain needs a little bit of time to get back into it. And that's time you could actually use to relax and not try to get away. So when you do active relaxation, it's much better for you than when you try to get away from unrealistic expectations or forcing your brain to do something that it really kind of doesn't want to do. I hope this productivity tip helps you. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, leave your comments, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Beate Chalette, the Growth Architect.